So the next tip in order to reduce snoring naturally is to definitely just wait it out and drink tea. What we definitely recommend, because lemon essential oil and cedarwood essential oil, which is in 4 Seasons inspired essential oil and Great High Hotel inspired essential oil respectively, we definitely do recommend if you're drinking like lemon tea to diffuse 4 Seasons inspired essential oil in the background as well. So you're not only drinking lemon tea and helping you to sleep just like that in one way, but also in another way, which is inhaling it through your sense of smell. That's something we definitely do recommend. So probably if you're drinking hot lemon tea, we can probably like diffuse 4 Seasons inspired essential oil to really just like maximize all the benefits that you can in order to reduce snoring, especially if it's a prevalent problem. So it's okay if some of you may not have lemon tea, you can definitely use like nettle tea is really great in order to do this also, or you have like sage tea is really good for this as well.